How to create motion tracking in Kdenlive. First of all, open your project and select the clip where you want to apply motion tracking. Next, go to the effects panel and search for the motion tracker effect. Then, drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline. Once you do that, you will see a tracker point on the video. Adjust its size and position it over the main object you want to track. In the effect settings, you will see several options such as tracker algorithm, keyframe spacing, frame space, shape width, color, blur, and more. You can adjust these options based on your requirement. Here I will blur the object using motion tracking by increasing the blur size and selecting Gaussian blur. Then click on Analyze to start the tracking process. It may take some time depending on the length and complexity of the clip. Once the tracking is complete, preview your video to make sure the motion tracking is smooth and accurately follows the object. If needed, you can refine the tracking data by adjusting points or retracking specific frames. And that's it. Now you know how to create motion tracking in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.